Hi, Peter.
Hi, Adam.
Do you shop?
Yes, I do.
Where do you go?
The big store.
That's really nice.
Yes, I like it.
How often you go?
Once a week.
That's pretty often.
Yes, every week.
What do you buy?
Food, mostly.
What kind of food?
Fruit and bread.
I like fruit too.
Me too. Very much.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I really do.
That's good, Peter.
Yes, it's fun.
Do you make a list?
Yes, always first.
That's very smart.
Thank you, Adam.
Do you buy toys?
Sometimes, yes.
What toys do you buy?
Small cars, mostly.
I like cars too.
Me too. Very much.
Do you go alone?
No, with my brother.
That sounds like fun.
Yes, we have fun.
Do you carry bags?
Yes, I carry them.
That's very helpful.
Yes, I like helping.
Do you like big stores?
Yes, I love them.
What do you like most?
Seeing all the things.
That's really fun.
Yes, very fun indeed.
Do you buy new clothes?
Yes, sometimes I do.
What clothes do you buy?
Shirts and shoes.
I like new shoes.
Me too. Very much.
Do you try them on?
Yes, always I do.
That's a good idea.
Yes, they must fit.
Do you shop with Mom?
Yes, every weekend.
That sounds really nice.
Yes, I love it.
Do you shop with Dad?
Sometimes, yes, I do.
What do you buy together?
Big things mostly.
That makes good sense.
Yes, Dad helps carry.
Do you like the mall?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite shop?
The toy shop.
I like that shop too.
Yes, it's the best.
Do you save your money?
Yes, I try to.
That's very smart, Peter.
Thank you, Adam.
Do you buy books?
Yes, sometimes I do.
What books do you like?
Storybooks, mostly.
I like stories too.
Me too, very much.
Do you shop for gifts?
Yes, for my family.
That's really kind, Peter.
Thank you, I like giving.
Do you wrap the gifts?
Yes, with my mom.
That sounds like fun too.
Yes, very fun, always.
Do you like new pens?
Yes, I love them.
What color pens you like?
Blue and red, mostly.
Those are nice colors.
Yes, my favorite colors.
Do you shop for snacks?
Yes, every single time.
What snacks do you like?
Apples and cookies.
I like cookies too.
Me too, very much.
Do you help pick things?
Yes, I help Mom.
That's very helpful, Peter.
Thank you, I try.
Do you like the cart?
Yes, I push it.
That sounds like fun.
Yes, it's really fun.
Do you count the money?
Sometimes with my dad.
That's a good lesson.
Yes, I'm learning numbers.
Do you like new bags?
Yes, I like them.
What bag do you have?
A green backpack.
That sounds really nice.
Yes, I love it.
Do you shop on weekends?
Yes, every Saturday.
That's a good time.
Yes, no school then.
Do you like the weekend?
Yes, I love it.
Me too, very much.
Weekends are the best.
Do you buy fruit often?
Yes, every single week.
What fruit do you like?
Bananas and apples.
I like bananas too.
Me too, very much.
Do you shop with friends?
Sometimes, yes, I do.
That sounds like great fun.
Yes, we play too.
Do you like new shirts?
Yes, I like them.
What color shirts you like?
Blue, my favorite color.
Blue is a nice color.
Yes, I really love it.
Do you say thank you?
Yes, always I do.
That's very polite, Peter.
Thank you. Mom taught me.
Do you like the cashier?
Yes, she is nice.
That's really good, Peter.
Yes, she smiles always.
Do you smile back too?
Yes, I smile too.
That's very kind of you.
Thank you, Adam.
Do you carry small bags?
Yes, I can carry.
That's really strong of you.
Thank you, I try hard.
Do you like the parking lot?
Yes, it's very big.
That's really big, honestly.
Yes, so many cars there.
Do you hold Mom's hand?
Yes, always I do.
That's very safe, Peter.
Yes, Mom says be careful.
Do you like the elevator there?
Yes, I love it.
That sounds like fun too.
Yes, going up and down.
Do you wave at people?
Sometimes, if they're nice.
That's really friendly, Peter.
Thank you, I like people.
Do you help put things away?
Yes, when we get home.
That's very helpful, honestly.
Thank you, I like helping.
Do you like grocery bags?
Yes, especially the colorful ones.
That's really nice, Peter.
Yes, colors make me happy.
Do you help load the car?
Yes, small bags only.
Well, I should go now.
Yes, me too. Bye.
It was fun talking.
Yes, very fun, Adam.
Let's shop together sometime.
Yes, that sounds great.
We can go soon.
Yes, I would like that.
Have a really nice day.
You too. Take care.
Thank you. See you later.
See you later. Bye, Adam.
Goodbye, Peter. Take care.
Goodbye, Adam. Take care too.